What's up everyone, and welcome back to a new video. And in this video I'll be showing you how to download the AltStore for any of your iOS devices. And what is the AltStore? So basically this is an app that is only available for Android devices. And what it functions, the functions of this app is basically similar to the Panda Helper. It is basically an app that allows you to access the tweaked and modded version of different apps and games. So basically it's a tweaked app store. So you can, once you have this AltStore with you in your iOS devices, you can basically access and download all the tweaked and modded version of different apps and games. However, this app initially is only available for Android devices, but in this video I'll be showing you how to download it on any of your iOS devices. So this is the AltStore. I've opened it. So this is the news. This section is for the news, and then on the other sections, you can just alter between the other sections. There is like my apps, and there is discover kind of thing, and there's settings. So from these other different tabs at the bottom of your screen, at the bottom of my phone's screen, you can access the tweaked and modded versions of different apps and games, and this will allow you to download them and basically experience all the mods and all such things. So look at that. These are my apps that are installed, and on the right hand side it tells me the expiry. So this is the AltStore beta. So basically on the right hand side, but you can see it says 7 days. Above that it says in the small text, it says expires, and so that shows the expiry dates of each of these apps and all the tweaks and mods they have within them. These are the settings. So there are a wide range of settings. I can basically background refresh, join the beta, join how it works, developer, designer, licenses and feedback, view refresh attempts. So it gives me all the different sorts of details that are not necessary to me. However, I might need them at some point in time. And then these are my apps that I have installed. So, and this is the news section. So basically it's a tweaked app store. It allows you to access all the tweaked apps and modded versions of different apps and games. And using this AltStore, you can download any tweaked or modded version of any game or app into any of your iOS devices. Originally, this AltStore is only available for Android devices, but in this video I'll be showing you how to download this AltStore into any of your iOS devices. And the best part about this video is that the method is pretty short and quite simple. All you have to do is just follow the steps properly, carefully and strictly, by ensuring that you have followed each and every step strictly, and you'll be able to get the AltStore downloaded into any of your iOS or Android. Well, it's already available on Android devices. You'll be able to get it downloaded into any of your iOS devices. So what I'll be doing over here is that I'll simply delete this AltStore. This is the icon right underneath the home icon. I'll be deleting it right now so that I can show you how to install it again. So there you go. Now that I have deleted the AltStore, let's move on to the steps. The first thing you have to do is basically open the settings of your phone. Scroll down to your battery settings. This is step number 1, which is for iOS devices. Yes. You have to make sure that your low power mod is turned off. If it's on, you have to turn it off, because if it's on, your downloading process will be affected and you will not get your AltStore downloaded into your iOS devices. So make sure that your low power mod is turned off. This is step number 1. After you've completed this step, move on to step number 2, which is also pretty simple, and that is you have to scroll back up to your general settings above the control center. And inside your general settings, you have to go down to your background app refresh underneath the iPhone storage, and there are 3 different settings in the background app refresh. The first one is off, the second one is Wi-Fi, and the third one is Wi-Fi and cellular data. You have to ensure that your background app refresh is on the third setting, or the one that says Wi-Fi and cellular data, because if it's on any other setting, your downloading process will be affected and you will not be able to get the contents downloaded. So after that, your step number 3 is that go to the browser settings. Go to the settings of the browser that through which you'll be downloading this AltStore. So for that particular browser, you have to go to the privacy and security settings in the browser settings and unblock all the cookies, because if the cookies are blocked, your downloading process will be affected. So you have to unblock all the cookies for the particular browser you will be using to download this AltStore. Once you've done that, simply close the settings, because that's all the contribution they make in this method. After you've closed the settings, hit open the browser for which all the cookies have been unblocked. And this list contains a lot of cool things that you might need, and it is highly unlikely that you might not find anything in this list that we're looking for. However, if you can't find it, go back to the search bar on top and type it in there and you'll be able to find it. But there you go, I just find the AltStore iOS in the list. It says full version working off iOS devices. Now, no jailbreak required. So if it's signed or not revoked, you can just go on to install it by clicking there, and start the injection process by clicking the start injection button right here. So remember, there's no need for jailbreaking, as it's in the app description as well. There's no jailbreak required. And once the injection process has been finished, you will be asked to complete a single last easy step that is going to be super easy. I'll show you how to do it, so do not worry at all. And the only reason the video has been fast forwarded over here is to make it short, because the injection process may take up to a few minutes, however not too long. Now this over here, I have to proceed to my final step, and I'll be showing you how to do it, so do not worry at all. Basically, I have to complete 2 offers from the list below and follow the instructions to complete the injection process. I'm sorry for that. That was a mistake. So my offer number 1 is going to be fetch rewards. I have to install this app and run it for 30 seconds. Now remember, these apps are downloaded from the official Apple Store or the Play Store if in case you're using an Android device. So they're 100% safe to use. Don't worry about that. And remember, you have to run this app for 30 seconds as instructed by them, but I will recommend running this app for 40 to 50 seconds just to be sure that you've properly completed the instruction, because I'm doing it the same way as well. But you might not notice it because the video has been fast forwarded to make it short. Now my offer number 1 has been completed, and my offer number 2 is going to be fitness and workout. I have to install this app and run it for 30 seconds. However, this time around the app is different, but the instructions are the same. So still I will run it for 40 to 50 seconds. And remember, once your contents have been downloaded, you immediately delete these extra apps that were downloaded during the injection process just to optimize your storage, because they occupy space in your phone for no reason. And once both your offers have been completed, simply close everything and return to your home page, and you'll notice that your AltStore will have been downloaded just the way it has been downloaded over here for me in these few simple steps. So I hope you liked the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, give this video a big thumbs up, share this video, and I'll see you next time in another cool video. Until the next time, take care and bye.